Students, I quickly wanted to update you about live sessions for this week. This is for September batch, right? September batch. A lot of you have joined our September batch. Schedule started on 15th September and this is schedule number 4. Schedule number 4, right? If you go to neetprep.com, you click on schedule, you go to schedule number 4. That is the schedule that we are following, for which these two live sessions are scheduled for this week. These two live sessions are scheduled for this week. 24th September, Tuesday, 5:30 p.m. Biological classification. Extremely important chapter. At least 2 questions would come from this chapter. Mishra sir will take this chapter. And then 27th September, Friday, 6 p.m. Motion in a straight line. Abhishek sir is going to take this chapter. Now students, understand. I want to tell you one clear thing. Schedule number 4 requires you to study at least 10 to 11 hours per day, right? If you don't want to study, if you want to waste your time, then now it is enough late that you should stop preparing for 2020 and prepare for 2021. But if you are serious, you are ready to work hard, you are going to follow our schedule and the way we are teaching, you will watch videos and you will take notes. You will read NCERT after that for that particular chapter. After that, there would be a mini test. You have already attended 2 live sessions, 3 live sessions. You know what this is. We give you a mini test. After that, there is problem solving live session. Problem solving live session in which faculty in a live session would come. These are these problem live session, 2 live sessions which would happen this week, right? In which faculty will come and tell you how to solve problems so that you understand how to solve problems. And after that, you have to do 100 questions of each chapter in physics, chemistry and 200 questions in bio, right? These are all available to you, but you have to study this much. So students, now you know the live session schedule for this week. Keep preparing hard. Don't give up because there is still enough time. If you study 10 to 11 hours per day, we will make you complete your schedule by 30th March. That is why we started this batch, because a lot of students got delayed because they were hoping something would happen in counseling. They were not sure whether to prepare again or not. But now is the time that you should give up all confusion and focus hard on studies. We have provided you a complete schedule. If you go to neetprep.com, neetprep.com, click on schedule link, then you will find schedule number 4. These are the 2 live sessions as per that schedule number 4. If you want to join our September batch for NEET preparation, you can call me on this number, right? 9667591930. A lot of students from South have also joined because in this batch, English videos are also available as per the schedule. So if you want to join this course because you could not start preparing till now for whatever reason, you can call me on this number and I will explain to you how you can crack NEET by starting preparing right now from NEET Prep online video course. But keep preparing hard, don't give up, keep working hard, and whatever you want to achieve, you will be able to do it if you work hard and follow this method. All right, students.